स्मृता पितरुणा तपं करुणया हरन्ति नृणामभङ्गरुतनत्विषां बलयिता शतैर्विद्युताम् कलिन्दगिरिनन्दनी तटसुरद्रुमालम्बनी मदीयमदिचुम्बनी भवतु कापि कादम्बनी यत्पादपद्मनखचन्द्रमणिच्छटाया विस्फूर्जितं किमपि गोपवधूस्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्ति श्रीराधिका मयि कदापि कृपां करोतु। आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकावदातौ संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजभरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ। चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्निर्वापणं श्रेयःकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतास्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नुपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्। श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्। चैतन्यं सुमनं मनं मनमनं मानं मनं मानसं मायाधावधवं धवं धवधवं धावं धवं माधवं स्वासारसरं जरं जरजरं जारं जरं वासरं वैकुण्ठादिभवं भवं भवभवं भावं भवं शाम्भवम्। अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्यस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। second day of this beautiful flow of Harikatha Rasadhara. Under the lotus feet of Sri Radharaman Gaura Gadadhar, we all are getting, including myself, such wonderful and rarest opportunity for 2 days. We are just spending time for Krishna. Spend many lives and many months and years for many other things. But the mood of here, I was realizing in the morning, we are spending time just for that prema, just for Sri Thakur, Radharaman. Yesterday, there was beautiful charcha of the Krishna from Vrindavan, the glorification of Krishna of Vrindavan. Vrindavan, the Krishna who is residing, living, staying, doing his Leela in the holy Dham Braja, Vrindavan. Laulyam dadati ti Leela. Leela is something which gives you more laulyata, give you more desire to have Krishna. When you hear the different aspects of rasa in the different Leelas, Leela gives something. Leela is the mother. Samvardhanam samposhanam cha iti Leela. Like a mother helps her child for samvardhan, for the development of the child, and samposhanam, taking care of the child. These two things a mother does. The prema bhakti which you all having in your heart, this Leela is like mother, which is strengthening, developing, samvardhanam, increasing, giving growth. It is even more growing under the shelter of Leela. And samposhanam cha, also taking care of it. Whenever something feels less motivative, something feels down, whenever something feels now it's getting less, then the sparks of Harikatha, sparks of Leela, increase that desire, again motivate that desire to have Krishna in our life, to have that prema in our life for Sri Sri Radha Mata. Samvardhanam samposhanam. Vrindavan is a place full of Leelas, full of Madhurya Rasa Leelas. Aishwarya Rasa Leelas I have already explained many times. It is good. It is good to know the Tattva. That's also one part of Sri Krishna Leela, which is having Aishwarya. But in that Aishwarya, there is a deep madhurya which is existing also. Separation and meeting is the rasa from all the leelas. Somewhere the separation is going on, somewhere the meeting is going on. When with the sakhas, with the gop kumaras, with the gwalas, with the cowhead boys, when the leela of Banabhoj, Brahma Mohana leela happens, then they both separated. But then Krishna appeared in all the forms. Yavat Vatsapa Vatsakal Pagbapur Yavat Karangyadikam Yavat Yashti Vishana Venu Dalasik Yavat Vibhushambaram Yavat Chil Guna Bida Kritibayo Yavat Biharadhikam Sarvam Vishnumayam Girunga Vadajah Sarvaswarupo Sarvaswarup. When the Leela of Sri Govardhan happened, Sri Giriraj Leela, they are, Indra is better than Brahma. Brahmaji is separating all of them, and Indra making an arrangement for their 7 days meeting under one shelter of Sri Govardhan. Indra is better than Brahma. He is making an arrangement so they can meet under Sri Giriraj. Parjanyo Bhagavan Indra. Sri, I was making a foundation to a specific Leela. Krishna Chandra Prabhu ordered me in this morning session to describe any of the Leela. Before sitting here, even I didn't know what's going to come. While reciting, it sometimes happens that I keep open my eyes. And when I opened my eyes and reciting the verse of Bhagavat, I saw all around the beautiful mountains, and I missed more my beloved Giriraj. Haridasa Variyo, who are taking care of doing different leelas in Sri Krishna's Gaucharana, helping Krishna for the Gaucharana. The intimate leelas of Sri Giriraj with Sri Radha and Madhava. Giriraj is helping Krishna to hide the sign when Krishna goes to meet Chandravali. He is also that's why he is Haridasavari. In Rama Leela, Hanumanji is Haridasavari. And Hanumanji is the Das of Ram and a Dasi of Sita ji. Sakha of Ram and Sakhi of Sita ji. There is nobody else close to Sita ji than Hanuman. They are sharing everything. Closest, best Das and the messenger between Radha and between Sita Ram. Here in Krishna Leela, Sri Giriraj is Haridasa Variyo, gopis are saying. Haridasa Variyo. Even they both the Haridas met before also. I was saying the other day that Hanumanji there is also one story which is existing, that Hanumanji bring Giriraj to Vrajamandala. The physical part. The eternal form of Giriraj always stays in Goloka and appears with Krishna to help in his Leela, to take a part in the Leela. But the physical part comes from Himalayas. Hanumanji was collecting mountains and stones to build this bridge as soon as possible. Then Hanuman went and liked this huge hill of Giriraj and said, please come with me. Giriraj said, where are you taking me, Hanumanji? He said, I am taking you there to the sea. Why? You will get an opportunity that Lord Ram will put his lotus feet on you, will bless you, will have his darshan. Oh really? Then promise me that you will give me his darshan, then only I will go with you. Hanuman promised definitely. He thought it's going to happen. When Hanumanji was bringing Giriraj on the way, Ram, the building complete, the construction of bridge completed, and Ram ordered, oh, wherever and all the monkeys are, they should just come here now. Leave all the mountains, stones, wherever you are, just come in front of me now. And now it's the order of Lord Ram. How Hanumanji can ignore it? Then Hanuman started giving place to Giriraj when he was crossing Vraja. And he was crossing Vraja, just at this place, he started. Giriraj said, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You promised me. Where is Lord Ram? Where is Lord Ram? Shri Hanumanji said, I promised you I will fulfill. Let me go and discuss with Lord Ram, then I will come back. Just wait for a few minutes. Stay here. Hanumanji went and asked Lord Ram, Swami, I just need to ask few things. There's one beautiful mountain from Himalaya, Giriraj. I am your Haridas Varya, he is also Haridas Varya. He is waiting for you. I promised him that you will shower your blessings, you will step on him, he can have the shower of the dust of your lotus feet. I promised him, but then the construction of bridge completed and you ordered, so I have to come here. Lord Ram said, oh Hanumanji, don't worry a lot. Why are you worrying a lot? You go back and tell him, he have to wait a bit. This time I only might have put my lotus feet once. If we wait a bit more and when Sri Lord Krishna appeared, then I will put my step every day on him. Even I won't come just over him, I will stand under him also. Now I will only step over him. I'll step on him. I will step under him also. Tell him, go. Just have some patience. I am coming very soon. Hanumanji was so happy and informed this to Giriraj. And Giriraj was waiting since then. Sri Giriraj and Sri Krishna is also known different. Is also same. The full huge form of Sri Krishna. Radha Kunda Shyam Kunda Giri Govardhan Ar Madhura Madhura Vanshi Bhaje Aita Vrindavan. What is Vrindavan? Radha Kunda Shyam Kunda. Where the Radha Kunda and Shyam Kunda is there. Where Sri Giri Govardhan is there. And where the beautiful melody of Sri Krishna's flute. Radha Kunda Shyam Kunda Giri Govardhan or Madhura Madhura Vanshi Bhaje Aita Vrindavan. This is Vrindavan only. This is Sri Dhama Vrajamandal. This is Vrindavan. Haridas Varya, Sri Giriraj. They both are Haridas. Giriraj, the eternal form, stays always in Golok and appears in Krishna Leela. Krishna is going with the Gaumatas every day in the forest of Vraj, playing different games, doing Vanabhoja Leelas. On one side killing demons also, doing many things. Today, in ecstasy and dance, they forget a bit and walked a little more further. They started approaching, they reached near the border of Mathura, not in Mathura, close to Mathura. All the cowhead boys asked today, Oh Krishna, you have saved us from many demons, but please today save us from this demon of hunger. We are so hungry. Bubukshitam kim na karoti papam. Yesterday only I have mentioned. A hungry man can do all the kind of pap. This is even more horrible. This demon of hunger is even more horrible than Shakatasura, Vyomasura, Rishtasura. We not even have mouses now. We have elephants in our stomachs who are jumping. Please arrange something. We are so hungry. Today in ecstasy and to look for few Gau Matas, we came very far. It will take so much time of us to go back. Mansukha said, I will faint in the middle. I am so hungry. I can kill all the demons, but this demon is even not in my control. Hunger, so hungry. We all are not now. So that's why you are not able to experience what Gwalbals are doing now. So, Govinda said, no problem. Hey Gwalbals, go. They are Brahman Chaturvedis. They are doing fire sacrifice. I know them very nicely. Just go to them and say, Krishna and Balaram is there standing outside. They are hungry. They are wanting some food. Please serve them. I am your head of all the Gau heads. I am the head of all of you. So follow my order and go there. Gopas were a bit shy. What should we do? Then Gopakumara, all the Gwalbals, went to that festival of fire sacrifice. We thought, how these boys are coming here? What we can do for you? Chaturvedis asked. Gwalbal said, oh, Krishna Balaram is standing outside. They wanting some food. They are very hungry. Please serve them some food. Chaturvedi said, you want food? This one Chaturvedi, hold a stick. I have this food. You go, we have not yet finished our fire sacrifices and all these people, hungry people already started coming. We not even yet started our fire sacrifice. In India, when you do a religious festival where so many rituals, a yagna, fire sacrifice is happening, then there is always what we call there bhandara. In India, this is a popular word, bhandara. Bhandara means just food, giving arrangement for the food just for the random everybody. In Vrindavan, you can see this so many. They made an arrangement. I think I heard about it. Sadhu Maharaj also made an arrangement, something like this. It was or something like this. Yeah, prepare prasad outside Munger Mandir and distribute it. We do it in our festivals, in Gaur Purnima festival. So there are two styles in India. One style is when you have do food seva for random, like we will cook for 10,000 people and set up it on somewhere and anybody would come, and this will go on from morning 8 to night 8, and as ever in the morning breakfast for 2,000, then in the afternoon 3,000 lunch, and then 3,000 in the evening dinner, and random people are coming, few are distributing plates, few are having eating. It's like this. But in the few, then you invite, you send a invitation, and that's for the reserved people. For the if you just want sadhus or brahmans should come, then they do that standard of bhandara also. So always bhandara happens. You have to do a bhandara. Whenever in India you are doing anything like fire sacrifice, or like Ambarish did his fast, then after fast he have to feed Brahmans, then Durvasa Rishi comes. That story from 9th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. And then Durvasa took so much time taking bath in the river, and the Bela of Parayan. Parayan is the time when you have to finish your fast. that was crossing. What should I do? Then Narad said, just take few drops of Charanamrita. But then Durvasa got so angry. Before serving your guest, you have taken this water. He said, not water, it's Charanamrita. So what? It is also water. Then Sudarshan showed him very nice what is the difference between water and Charanamrita. Sudarshan showed him very nice. Then he understood even till today from last many thousands years what is a difference between water and Charanamrita. So in any ritual you have to do Bhandara, which we call Bhandara there. You might have all know about this. Even in the temple, as even Prabhupada made the tradition on the Sunday, we call it Sunday feast. The giving prasad to everybody, whoever comes. So Chaturvedi was doing yagna. And they thought that these random guys, these random boys comes here just to eat bhandara. They say, oh, we even not yet started our fire sacrifice and these hungry people already started coming. Go, 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 go. It will take us many hours, let us finish this. He said, Krishna Balram, no. Send this Nanda Sutta. He is very naughty. Let me have this fire sacrifice done, then we will think. All the Mansukha Madhumangal comes, they say, Krishna, you should think 100 times before saying anything in these sensitive situations. You don't know if one person is hungry, how sensitive he is. And you are just playing with us, making jokes. You said these Chaturvedis will give us food. They were ready to beat us. They were not giving us laddus, they were ready to giving us dandas. They were ready to giving us what you were saying. You said, oh really? Okay. No problem. Leave all these men. You go to Mataji's. You go to Chaturvedini's, wife of these Chaturvedis. These Purusha, these men become so dry, they don't have heart. You go there. That's also the Vraj mood is there. In that ultimate stage of rasa, Krishna is there only. And all are Sakhis. Even Shiva has to become Gopeshwar, a form of a Mataji, a form of a Gopi, to enter into the rasa. But he still got opportunity to become a watchman of rasa. So, leave these are dry. These are dry. Don't go to them. Yashoda Maiya took my all Ananda. Nanda Baba took lesser than Yashoda Maiya. Indra never understood me. Indra's wife Sachi understood me very nicely. In the first canto when Shaunak and Sut having conversations, then at that time Shaunak Rishi asked Sut, where will Dharma save himself in this dark age of Kali? Then Sut Goswami replied, Dharma will only survive in the heart of Matajis. They can only save this. And the blessing of the mother can make a child. You go to Mataji's, leave these Chaturvedis. You go to Chaturvedi. They will understand me. Not Chaturvedi won't understand. Okay. When someone is hungry, they can ready to do anything for you. All the Gwalwals went to Chaturvedani's. Oh Chaturvedani Ju, oh Chaturvedani Ju. In Hindi, we call it Ji. But in Braj Bhasha, that Ji becomes Ju. Even we call the beautiful name of Sri Radharaman is when everyone say Radharaman Ji. But Vrajvasis and we all calls him Srimad Radha Raman Ju. Thakur Sri Radha Raman Ju. It's even more sweet. So, oh Chaturvedani Ju, please come, Krishna and Balaram just arrived, just appear here. They are so hungry and expecting some food from you. Chaturvedani got so happy. Oh really, seems like all the karmas from millions of the birth giving me fruit, this beautiful darshan of Sri Krishna. Chaturvedi was sitting in the hall and was just doing yagna, swaha, swaha, swaha. And the wife of Chaturvedinis, feed the Yagya Purusha. They were just doing Yagya, but Chaturvedani satisfied Yagya Purusha. Krishna is Yagya Purusha. All these ahuti goes to the lotus feet of Krishna. Yagya Purusha. Even all the Chaturvedi is looking at them, what they were doing. They cooked the prasad to offer it to Yagya Bhagavan. But Chaturvedani took all those trays in front of them. They were stopping them also. But they ran outside to feed Sri Krishna. Vidhi is good till that only until you achieve Nidhi. Vidhi means procedures. And Nidhi means motive. Nidhi, we can say Nidhi. जो actual निधि होती है ना,
goal.
You could say Nidhi is also motive, goal. All these comes under this beautiful Sanskrit word known as Nidhi. Vidhi and Nidhi. Vidhi is procedures. Vidhi is procedures. If you are doing the arti, this is a prema vidhi, you are doing a arti. But that time, from outside, if himself Krishna Radharaman starts coming, if Krishna comes, oh Krishna Chandra Prabhu, how are you? Then if you say, no, oh you please wait outside, let me finish my arti and then I will meet you. This is only vidhi, but he is nidhi. He is nidhi. Vidhi is only good till that until you leave, until you shouldn't leave nidhi. Okay, I will chant, I will wake up 3 o'clock in the morning today. Okay, I will chant 64 rounds today. Everything I will do. I'm keeping myself, okay, so good today. Today's beautiful katha I want to hear. So I wake up 3 o'clock, I'll chant my round, everything I'll do. You prepared since morning. And when the time of katha comes, if I looked at you, you have done all the nidhi. But when the time of vidhi, you've done all the vidhi. When the time of nidhi comes, then you lost it. One does all the yajna. One does everything. Why? To have that rasa. You are doing so many fast, so many other fast. And if the Krishna comes one day and gives something which he have tasted, and it is not of, it is maybe grain, what's he going to do? Vidhi and Nidhi are two different aspects. Vidhi is good. That's why in Upadeshamrita Rupa Goswami says, Atyahara prayasasya prajalpo niyamagraha. Niyamagraha. Janasangyascha laulyasya shadavir bhakti vinasya. The main motive shouldn't. Okay, I'm going for 3 days to Vraj. I will do Varsana Parikrama, I will do Govardhan Parikrama, I will do Ashtadevalaya Darshan, I will go to Gokul, I will go to different places, 3 days, non-stop, just rushing like this. And what you come back, if after 3 days when you're coming back to Switzerland and once looked at you, you are so exhausted, so tired. Even after coming back from Vraja, what you got? tireless. Not a single drop of rasa. Vidhi is very good until you keep that nidhi also. Until you keep that nidhi also. Then one should have the balance of vidhi and a nidhi. Too much vidhi can also become the obstacle. Too much karma kanda can become the obstacle to have the nidhi. Krishna is the nidhi. Krishna prema, Hari katha, Hari naam is the sadhya. Is not the sadhana. Is not the sadhana. Sadhana and sadhya. You can put vidhi and nidhi. They are also, the word vidhi and nidhi, they are similar to sadhana and sadhya. Srimad Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda Prabhu is only talking about sadhana and sadhya. What is sadhya? Which is the best sadhya? Harinam and Harikatha is not sadhana. Harikatha is not sadhana. Harikatha is the sadhya. The one who have recently started his spiritual life will invest his all the time in Harikatha only. The devotees who have achieved, even played with Krishna, what they also want in their life after that? Harikatha. They are looking for Harikatha. Wherever it is happening, they are going. Madhusudan Suripad, wherever Katha is happening, he is going. Listening to it tirelessly. Katha is sadhya. For Krishna Nam and for Krishna Katha, you can leave Krishna also. Madhusudan Suripad, once listening to Harikatha, he closed his eyes and enjoying it. Vah, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. And then somebody come and put the hand on his shoulder. He opened his eyes. Who's this? And he thought Krishna was standing. He said, you? Who? I'm so happy. Krishna said, I'm so happy, Madhusudan, with you. I want to give you something. Ask. Madhusudan says, really you want to give me something? He said, yeah. Okay, then do one thing. Go from here. You are disturbing me from Katha. Go. I will listen. I will meet you after some time. Let me finish your Harikatha. So Harikatha is not Vidhi. Hari Naam is not Vidhi. Krishna Naam is not Vidhi. That is Nidhi. Harikatha is not sadhana. Harikatha is kriti sadhya bhavit sadha bhava sa sadhana vidau nitya shuddhyasya bhavasya prakatyam nirdi sadhya. It is not Vidhi, it is the Nidhi. For Harikatha and Harinam dustyajas tat kathartha. Gopi is saying, Uddhav, it is easy to leave Krishna, but it is impossible to leave his Katha. So Vidhi and Nidhi, all the other rituals, they all are Vidhis. To get this nature of, to get this real Nidhi. So Vidhi is only good till you have the Nidhi. Then Krishna will be there. Krishna will be there. Atah. Chaturvedis was fully involved just in the Nidhi, just in the Vidhi. They were involved just in the Vidhi, doing fire sacrifice, yagna. But in the state of love, Chaturvedini, the wife of Chaturvedi, even don't care about the Vidhi. Don't care about Vidhi. She stood up and offered this beautiful food, the tasty food which they have cooked to offer to Yajna Bhagavan. They offered the same food to Yajna Purusha, Shri Krishna. They were doing Swaha, but Chaturvedini offer laddus in the mouth of Krishna. Open your mouth, we will feed you. All the Gwalwals become so happy. They were so happy. Krishna became so happy and blessed all the Chaturvedis, all the Chaturvedinis from the bottom of their heart. Oh Krishna, oh Chaturvedis, in your generations there will be scholars. In your generations there would be very handsome and beautiful Chaturvedis of Mathura. if you see, they are very handsome. They look very good. Few Matajis, they are very beautiful Chaturvedis. Very powerful. You can't see a thin Chaturvedi. Even if it's thin Chaturvedi, you'll say you are not even Chaturvedi. They are nice, big. If you see now, few Chaturvedis are my very good friend. Very good friend. And even one, he's very nice scholar from Vallabh Sampradaya. He always visits me. Even Bhagavati and they all have met him also. Comes in Vrindavan. Before coming to Switzerland, we were having nice discussions on Ashray Bhavapatti, the 12th canto, Ashray, the standards of Ashray, what Vallabh Sampradaya says. Then he was saying that Krishna Ashray is the ultimate stage. I said, that's great what Vallabha Mahaprabhu has said, but our Gaudiya Siddhant even said one more thing. You are saying that Krishna Ashray is the ultimate stage. We say the Ashray of the Ashrits of Radha Krishna is the ultimate. Those who are the servant of Radha Krishna, even becoming their servant is even better than become a direct servant of Krishna. Jai ho, Jai ho. And then because the most important prayer in Vallabh Sampradaya, of course, Gopi Geet, and the second, after 5 Geet, they consider the prayers of Vrittasur. The 4 verses of Vrittasur are very important in Vallabh Sampradaya. The 4 Purushartha, Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. So they consider these 4 verses as Dharma, Artha, Kam and Moksha. And in that 4 important verse, then I gave him this explanation, then he was happy. Then in this explanation, in this 4 verse, which is so important in Vallabh Sampradaya, Vrittasur himself saying, Aham Hare Tava Padai Kamula Dasanudasa Bhavitasmi Bhuya. Said even your Sampradaya is saying becoming Dasanudasa. His best becoming Das. He said, why you are pulling my leg? So they are great scholars. So many, and especially Chaturvedi are so much influenced by Vallabh Sampradaya. There are many in Vallabh Sampradaya. In Gaudiya there are only few. But it's still same, Vaishnava Sampradaya. Fine, good. You shouldn't be so rigid for many things. So, they are so scholar, handsome. Even in one Chaturvedi family they can marry also. In one family. Like because they don't have many kind of caste or anything like this in India. If a girl is also Chaturvedi, boy is also Chaturvedi, so they marry in the Chaturvedi family only. And then scholar and the lover of food. Many Chaturvedi recently, 5-6 years ago, one Chaturvedi left his body. Used to eat, he was very popular, used to eat more than 20 kgs of rabri. 20 kgs.
Per day?
For a day.
Oh, no.
If you can't believe, come tomorrow with me, I'll let you meet with you. Now also alive. I myself fed from my hand to a Chaturvedi, from my own hand, 100 rasgullas. 150 kachoris, 550 puris. I actually didn't eat myself for 5 days because I can't. And he was enjoying like this. I asked him, do you put this food in your intestine or in your veins? Where this food goes inside you? I even asked him, where you keep this? He said, no, I have my own area. I have my own place.
In Akash.
There was one Chaturvedi who was an employee in Sri Radharaman temple. He was employed in the outside cleaning and then bringing the wood and all these things he used to do. His waist is this much, maybe this much. To him I have feed about 50-60 rasgullas in a bhandara. Oh, they love. And Chaturvedi is very much respected, especially in Radharaman family. In Radharaman family, they are very highly respected. Highly respected. Recently, even in the Seva festival, those who are present, Bhagavati was there, Pujarinji was there, I think nobody else from here was there, but many were gathered. So on the appearance date of Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami and his reappearance when he left this planet, on these both days, if you ever been and took darshan of Sri Radharaman, then on the front area, Jagmohan we call it, inside the silver gate, that's Garbhagriha. Then in the front, which is Jagmohan. So in the open darshans, even we Goswamis can't eat there in the open darshan. With Radharaman, we can't eat with Radharaman. When he finish, when the darshan close, then we all can sit there and eat. We ate many times. When there is a Yagyopavit festival of a Goswami or anything which happens in the temple, then we eat there, we sit there too. But there Radharaman is eating, and here outside of the silver gate these Chaturvedi eats. And in Aparas Seva, because we do Aparas Seva, because Gun Manjari is in the form of Gun Manjari, she wears silk and everything, so we also have to wear silk when we go to Seva of Sri Radharaman and touches him, and cannot touch anybody else when we are in the Seva. We just recently had Seva in January, and there were 2-3 days when I have to take bath 4 or 5 times a day. Because person don't know, and I was standing there and giving prasad, he came and took the dandavats like this. I have to jump at him then. From that height, I cannot go inside. If I touch anything else, then the whole temple we have to clean. So then I have to take bath in the winters again, I have to go in the altar again, and this was keep happening from last few times. So that's his Leela. So in Aparas, we cannot feed anyone. And these Chaturvedis are also coming from 500 years, their generations. Those generation of Chaturvedis, oh, they sit there and love to eat. Even this time, maybe you both might have noticed, they both, because we made it inside the kitchen of Sri Radharaman, rabri, which was 5 kg. So they had 3 kgs. I gave them in a nice cooler, and they were not drinking water, they were drinking rabri there. They were enjoying rabri there. And that's why we feel so happy. Wow, they are enjoying the prasad. So Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami ji ordered to serve these Chaturvedi on his birthday and on his appearance day, because there were few leelas which was even previously there, and even Chaturvedi, when there was Aurangzeb thing was happened in Vrindavan also, then even many Chaturvedis also were standing with Radharaman and making an arrangement, because they were very respected in the temple. And previously when Radharaman appeared, after that also there are few stories of Chaturvedi, that Chaturvedi used to come, and the Chaturvedi, because Damodar Goswami and Gopinath Das Goswami were the disciple of Gopal Bhatta Goswami ji, of course there, but they were helping all of them also. And then that was Gopal Bhatta, and then one Chaturvedi family who is in the Mathura, who is same, whose generation is same, very dear to Gopal Bhatta Goswami. They used to come every day. They used to live in Mathura only since then, but they used to come every day from Mathura to Vrindavan to eat prasad. And then one day what happened, Damodar Goswami and Gopinath Das Goswami, when Gopal Bhatta Goswami Maharaj was there, and then his birthday was there, so they want to celebrate the Gurudev's birthday. So they were looking for few Brahmans to come and we want to feed them. We want to feed them, and they were looking. Vrindavan is full of sadhus. If you are a sadhu, then if you are Brahman or Shudra, it doesn't matter. Then this Chaturvedi family coming today to take the darshan. And then Gopal Bhatta Goswami Maharaj ordered, oh, today you feed them. So they felt this an order. On the birthday, he said to feed this Chaturvedi family. So then this tradition have started since then. And then there are few more stories, because of course it is not in the scriptures. This is our family talk, which we all the Goswamis does for these kind of reasons which was happened, and these tradition which is continuously flowing. Then later on there are few things also. Then there's few story that Goswamis have seen the dream to feed this also. But this is much more a popular story that Chaturvedi, Gopinath Das Goswami and Damodar Goswami feed them. Then this tradition has came that on his birthday and on his appearance day, this Chaturvedi has to be very highly respected there. Very highly respected. Krishna blessed them with so many qualities. So many. Still the Chaturvedis are alive in Mathura and in Vrindavan. Oh, he recently retired. He was the best professor in Sahitya in Vrindavan. Oh, knows all the Sahitya. You just says this verse and he ready to create new verse. Every day create new verse. He used to write used to go to a program and said one nice katha, used to make a verse on that incident and send it to me. One Chaturvedi is there who have by-hearted all the 4 Vedas. He knows all the 4 Vedas. Don't need to open the book. Say, from here he is ready to speak. Ready to speak. But very different, and they were very playful and blissful. And also very aggressive also. Very aggressive sometimes. So Chaturvedis, Krishna becomes so happy with Chaturvedis and blessed them so many blessings in your family. Always respected. Scholars would come. Scholars would come. So handsome. Bhojan Bhatta, we call them. Those who love the food. In Sanskrit you call them Bhojan Bhatta. Who is Bhatta in Bhojan. Expert in eating Bhojan. Bhojan Bhatta. So they are Bhojan Bhatta Maharaj. So many things. He blessed with so many things. He was so happy. Today he was coming back. Then after this, as reached in Godhuli Bela, as started coming back to Gokula, wanted to enter to his own house, Yashoda Mataji's house. And as he was entering, today he has seen something awkward. Every day Yashoda Maiya used to stand outside, used to wait, used to decorate her beautiful door, used to hang a fresh garlands. Oh, my son is coming. Oh, my son is coming. Have Aarti Thal, plate of Aarti, and welcome Krishna every day in the evening. Then talk to him nicely. Then clean him nicely. Every day this was happening. But today when Krishna come, Yashoda was not standing there. She said, okay, no problem. When he wants to enter inside, then he saw, oh, Yashoda Maiya stopped. No. Go to Baba, go to Baba, go to Baba. There is some worship is going on. A worship of Indra going on. You go. Oh, Krishna was so surprised. Went to Baba, said, oh Nanda Baba, what is this happening in the house? I left the house very nicely in the morning. What happened in the whole day? Who this Indra entered in my house? So Baba said, no, this is one of our tradition. There is always a difference between religion and tradition. A very hairline difference. A very hairline. But there is difference. A religion walks on the tradition, and a tradition survives on the basis of religion. But a tradition and a religion, many things which you all see in India, may be not religious. These are traditionals. These are tradition. But that tradition has the religious effect. If you see a married woman they have a red tilak on their forehead, on the head. Actually, somebody sent me a beautiful message few days ago that you have to be most careful in the whole world from an Indian wife. Why? It was a message. Why? And then if you scroll down, then it was written, because they are recording everything. When there is a red mark on the button, it means it is recording everything. So they are recording everything, there is a red mark. So be careful. So that is not religious. That is traditional, which Indian traditions, but that Indian tradition having a deep religious past also. That's having a religious explanations also. So this is our tradition. This is not our religion. Brajvasis, Yashoda Maiya saying this is our tradition. Baba is explaining this is our tradition. We pay obligation to Indra. Because of Indra, it rains so nice. Then that rain gives us so nice blade of grasses. Then all these pashu animals and cows which we have, when they eat this fresh, healthy grass, they feel so happy. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. Oh, Krishna said, that's good. But Baba, who is your Ishtadev? If your Ishtadev is Narayana, then why you are... do one thing, Baba. Make an amendment in the Vedas then. That Narayan can do everything. Even can save my child from Putana, can save my child from Kaliyana, can save my child from Trinavarta. But Narayan cannot reign. Make an amendment. No, why should I make it? So that's what I am saying. When I was in the hand of Putana, I never heard the name of Indra from your mouth. When this Trinavarta was taking me, then I never heard the name of Indra. When I was dancing on Kaliya, my mother and you never were asking help from Indra. At that time you were calling your Ishtadev. But now, this is not right. To fulfill the desire, that is the duty of Indra. It is duty of Indra. Madbhayat bhat bhatoyam suryas tapati madbhayat. Madbhayat bhat bhatoyam. It is duty of Indra to reign. It is duty of sun to shine. They shouldn't care even if you welcome the sun or not. Many even close the curtains in the morning when sun appears. When the sun rises, you close the curtain, but still sun doesn't care. Still goes, still comes every day. Never late, not like me. Never cares. Never cares. Always comes on time, always goes on time. Even if you care, even if you don't care. It's a duty of Indra to reign. Lord appointed them for this. Baba, just for the sake of desires, one shouldn't worship. That's the biggest aparad in bhakti. Ahai tu kya pratihata. The prem should be without any hetu, without any desires. Desire proof. Gurudev always used to say, we want to buy things fireproof, waterproof. Why can't you make your heart desire proof? No desire. There always would be desire. But note the love, the worship you are doing of Krishna, it shouldn't be with the desire. Always if you are born in this material world, there would be always the desire. But don't connect your desires with your bhakti. Otherwise there would be a problem. You can add anything, but if you add even a single drop of desire, it will ruin up. You say, oh, I have chanted for 10 years, I have done this, that. If I ask for a small thing, how it would make different? That will spoil. If we all decide to make a kheer here, okay, here, just example I'm giving, if we all decide, okay, let's make a kheer together, and if I put a stove and put a nice big bowl, okay, now one Mataji comes, he says, okay Maharaj, I have some milk, okay, do it, that's your share, no problem, put it in the bowl. Then one Mataji comes, okay, I have some sugar, no problem, put the sugar in it. One Mataji comes, okay, I have some kesar, what we call kesar?
Saffron.
Saffron. I have some saffron, no problem, put saffron into it. One Mataji comes, I have some nuts, okay, that would work with kheer also. I have some raisin, okay, that would go also. One Mataji comes, okay, I have some almonds, okay, that would go also. Then one Mataji comes, oh Maharaj, I couldn't find anything, but I have few lemons. Can I put them? No. Don't put the lemon. If you put the lemon in the kheer, it will ruin up everything what we have done. It will ruin up all the nuts, all the milk, all the almonds, all the saffron, all the sugar, milk, everything, if even bit lemon falls into. Similarly, in the kheer of your bhakti, you can add the milk of Sravana. You can add the sugar of the Kirtan. You can add the service of the deity, which is like saffron. You can add all the different yatras and parikramas, which are like nuts and almonds. Everything, but don't put even a single drop of desire which is like the lemon. All the efforts would ruin up, even if it's small. Oh, Father, it is not good to do anything. This is selfishness. This is selfishness. He said, no, we are not worshipping. We are paying an obligation because Indra do the rain. It's good, but by doing rain, Indra doesn't do any extraordinary thing. That's his duty. That's his duty. If he might have, if a farmer land ruins up and he drastically needs rain, and just for his farm, if the Indra makes rain, then I will say, Nanda Baba, okay, be obliged. Because he have made a special arrangement, created a special cloud to rain and to help that farmer. If he rain like for everyone, then maybe one farmer needs rain and 4 farmers don't need rain. Then they will say, oh, what you have done, Indra? Then you say, if he does something extraordinary, then it's good to be obliged. But why? This is duty of the sun to shine. It is duty of the Indra to rain. He has to rain. He has to rain. Oh Baba, if you want to be obliged, then oblige to a person who does extraordinary things. We Brajvasis cannot pay the obligation of Giriraj. He gives us so much shelter. He gives us so much herbs. So many. Krishna is talking because Nanda Baba is the businessman. He's a big businessman. He runs the biggest dairy in Brajamandala. That's why he always take care of it. He don't want any problem. I'm saying this with the proof. Nanda Baba is the biggest businessman. That's why in between Nandotsav he went to pay tax. In between Nandotsav, he said, I don't want any trouble. Any income tax department rates comes here. I don't want any trouble. This comes can do anything. He's a big businessman. That's why in the middle of Nandotsav is still going on before the Putana came. Nand Baba made an effort, hand over all the duties to other, and he went to Mathura to pay his tax. And then when he went, then Vasudevji said, "Oh, what you are doing? Go back. I feel that something wrong is going to happen in Braj." And then Nanda Baba thought, if Vasudev feeling, then his conscience are very pure. It must be happening. Then Nanda Baba came. And Nanda Baba was walking with a stick. This is the Madhurya Paksha of the Leela. Brajvasi says, walking with the stick. And he saw, this huge demon Putana is running with the baby Krishna. And then Nanda Baba, hey, shout and threw that stick. The small stick which was in comparison of Putas even went into her hairs, can't find it later. She threw that, hey, leave my Krishna. And as that stick, touched Putana, Krishna dear drunk his whole pran and she died. Nanda Baba said, I killed that Putana. All the Vrajvasis thinking, I killed that. Now that is the Madhurya Paksha of the Leela. Krishna didn't know. Krishna never killed Putana. He was so innocent, small 6 days baby. How he was just running. Nanda Baba threw the stick and that stick killed. That small, even he was so tired to look about his beautiful stick, he couldn't find it. It went somewhere in the air. It's even smaller than the hair size of Putana. How it can hair? But Nanda Baba, see, look at my strength. He was enjoying. So, Nanda Baba, when he was big businessman, Nanda Baba, that's why specifically made an arrangement when the baby, anybody can think of it? Tell me. When you have a baby recent after so many years, mother and father goes mad for a few months. Later on they realize, we have lived a practical life also. And Nanda Baba just having Krishna as child. And after 5-6 days, he thought about paying tax. How even it can come into the mind? He's a big businessman. That's why he went Mathura to pay the tax. And then comes back. So explaining it, Krishna explaining in his style. Baba, she gives us so much hers. This save us from the cold wind. Save us from many things. It makes a boundary of Brajamandala. If there is a flood in Yamuna comes, we can all save ourselves on the top of Giriraj. Many explanations he gave, and he is Haridasa. You have to pay the obligation to this Giriraj. Giriraj, before giving his fruits, never asked the caste. Before giving water, he never asked who is drinking water. Before giving shelter to anybody, he never inquired how much qualified you are. You chant, do you do this? Never inquired. Give shelter to everybody. So merciful, Haridasa. He is the best Hariseva. Baba, you should be obliged to Giriraj first. Devraj is his duty to do. I will tell you when he will specifically do anything for us. Then I will tell you. To be obliged of him. But now you don't need to. Nanda Baba understood. Nanda Baba understood. Abasar patita bani gunagana rahito pishobhate. That's a sutra. Smriti says, from Chanakya, Pandit Chanakya says, Abasar patita bani. When you talk according to the avasar, according to the circumstance, according to the surround, even if your saying doesn't have any quality, gunagana rahitopi, even if doesn't have any kind of quality, but it's still respected. Because you talk about, for example, if you are going into somebody's funeral, if somebody calls me to funeral just to speak some word so I can relax everybody, and I start saying Janmashtami Katha, Okay, Krishna Janma Katha is always blissful, but a funeral is not the place to talk about Krishna's birth. So, Abasar Patita Bani. And it is respected in our scriptures that even if a balak, even a small baby, says something logical and shastric, then one should follow it. All our preachers are young. Shanakadik, young. Shukadev is young. Kapil is teaching his own mother, young. All are young, small child. Prahlad, Dhruv, all are there. Prahlad is teaching his own father. Old and young got even less than even the kids and the youth are more into it. So all these preachers in our Shivan Mahaprabhu is also not old. He is also young and teaching the whole world. Give this movement with Prema Bhakti. So you have to be obliged of Sri Giriraj. Nanda Baba understood it very nicely. The son is saying very logical. Oh Krishna, you are intelligent. But who is going to make these Vrajavasi understand? Don't worry. I am also Vrajavasi. Don't worry. Oh, all the arrangements changed. Oh, Krishna have whole argument with everybody. Once oh Krishna, what you are doing? So you all keep quiet. Made an arrangement. Everybody became so happy. They did Abhishek of Sri Giriraj. After beautiful Abhishek, there are so many offerings. So many Chappana Bhog, Annakut, arrangement of Annakut. So many arrangements. When they closed the curtain, then Krishna wanted to see Leela. Everybody say, oh, Indra, we know Indra lives in heaven, Indra lives in Swarga. You are making an arrangement for this mountain? Krishna said, no, I will show that this is not just a mountain. Then Krishna made a Daivat Tattva. A Daivat Tattva. Krishna created his form and sat on the lap of Sri Giriraj. And when they closed the curtain, ate all the prasad. Giriraj consumed all the prasad. When they opened the curtain, Vrajavasis are more sad. Oh, he is alive, he have eaten everything. But now it's a problem. Every time when we used to offer food, God just used to see and we used to enjoy. But Krishna's God ate everything. Left nothing for us. Oh, Krishna said, don't be sad. When a sadhu is visible when he takes things. But nobody can see when sadhu gives things. When he takes things, it is visible. But when he gives things, it's invisible. When a heart of sadhu prays for Radharani, for somebody, it is not visible. It is something which you can feel when the right time would come. When he takes, it is visible. But when he gives, it's not visible. Vrajavasis, you don't worry. Giriraj is very merciful. Krishna smiled at Giriraj. All the prasad started appearing again in the buckets. All the kachoris, all the annakura. Oh, Vrajavasis got so happy to look at prasad. So happy. Wow, it's even better than worshipping Giriraj. Because all the young kids don't know about this Giriraj. They just want to have nice feast. That's what they want. Oh, got so happy. And then shouted so loud, Sri Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai! So loud. I think you all are very hungry. Why you are not saying it? Just say loud. Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai! So loud that even their Jai Jaikar, their Jai Jai reached to heaven, to Swarga. In the oh, who is this saying? Vrajavasis. Oh, he said to one of his servants, go teach them these illiterate Vrajavasis My name is not Giriraj. My name is Devraj. My name is Devraj. Today they do my worship. My name is Devraj.
Mein Name ist Devraj, nicht Giriraj.
The servant comes and said,
Der Diener kommt,
"Oh, you keep quiet now.
seid jetzt still.
Your worship is cancelled already. Nobody is worshipping you.
Niemand will jetzt immer
This Krishna, this Gop Krishna, changed the parampara, and now he led all the Vrajavasis to worship this mountain. Indra is Rajoguni. He always want respect. He's Rajoguni. He said, really? Okay. Drown this Vraja in the flood. He ordered all the clouds, go to Vraj and rain. Pralay Kaleen Megha, Pralay Kaleen clouds appeared there which can destroy everything. The rain started coming so heavily, everybody got scared. Krishna looked here and there, what should I do? The Giriraj was in front of him. He lifted the beautiful Giriraj, called everybody, "Oh Gopis, oh Gopas, Yashoda, Gau Mata, come under. Krishna is lifting Sri Giriraj. Everybody came under, everybody said, "Bol Giridhari Bhagavan ki jai! Giridhari Bhagavan ki jai! Giridhari Bhagavan ki jai!" Up there is Sudarshan, who is helping. On one side is Rishi Agastya, who is drinking all the water. Why? Because in Vaikuntha Leela, once Lakshmi wanted to feed Agastya, and Agastya has the biggest hunger. He can eat anything. He drank once all the 7 oceans, all the 7 seas. He can eat anything. There was Kartik going on, month of Kartik. Then Lakshmi ji this is in Vaikuntha Leela. Lakshmi wanted to feed Brahman. Narayan said, "Whom Brahman?" I said, "I want to feed Agastya." So no, be careful from him. You even cannot satisfy him. So no, I can satisfy everybody in the whole world. I am Lakshmi. Okay, try. In Vaikuntha, it is mentioned that there are 21 storerooms which are of 7 kos. One storeroom is of 7 kos. And Agastya ate everything. Whole stock of Vaikuntha finished. Lakshmi got tired feeding him. Riddhi and Siddhi, who are her servant, got tired. Then afterward Lakshmi said, "You were right, Narayan. Tell him to stop, otherwise he's going to insult me the whole world that Lakshmi even cannot satisfy him." Then Narayan came, sat with Agastya and said, "Oh Rishi, now leave it. It's fine. Don't eat more." Agastya said, "Okay, I'll finish now. Can I have some water?" Narayan said, No. If you have ate this much, then how much water are you going to drink? I will give you the water on the right time. Wait. Then today Krishna called Agastya. "I have promised you that I'll give you the water. Today drink as much as you want. Stand there and drink the water." So Agastya is standing to drink water. Sudarshan is up there, who's attracting all the water and letting it flow to Agastya. And Krishna is standing under. Sri Govinda, Sri Gopal standing under Sri Giriraj. On one hand he is playing flute, another hand is there. Beautiful. His flute making everybody so attracting that even they don't know that this Leela is happened for 7 days. Everybody shouted, "Oh, this is beautiful pada, this beautiful song of Surdas in this Leela." That everybody say, "Oh, take Radharani away from here, take Radharani away from here." Why? बोले दृग मीची राख ज्यों ज्यों गिरिधारी गिरि नख पर धरे हरी. Oh Priya, drik means eyes. Michi is a Vraj word. Michi means this. This is known as Michi. When you close your eyes like this, in Vraj it is known as Michi. Drik Michi rakh. Jyon until Giridhari Giri nakh par dhare. गिरि नख पर धरे हिरी, जो जो गिरधारी गिरि नख पर धरे हिरी. It's a beautiful song in Vraj Bhasha. Oh Radharani, keep closing your eyes until Krishna is lifting Govardhan. Why? Because if you look at your eyes, he will got attracted. If he got attracted, and in that ecstasy he start become unconscious. If you smile once, and then in the unconscious he forget and bring his hand down to play the flute, we all will become under the Giriraj. All the Gwal come, okay, we have the stick, we are holding it. This is Vrajamud. This is known as Madhurya. A person who have lifted a huge mountain, who is holding a huge mountain. If this would be happening in front of you, would you even ever thought to have a stick and holding and say, oh, you remove your hand, I'm holding it. If someone like us would be there, we'll start praying, oh Brahma, oh Paramatma, oh Satyam Pratam, oh Sahasra Sirsa, Purusaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapata, Sabho Vibhum Sarvata Spritva Tishtata Dasangulam. It is happening. This is Vrajvasi's mood. Even when he is lifting and holding Govardhan, even after this, they are coming to have the stick and saying, oh, you remove your hand, we are able to hold it. They don't look at Aishwarya Bhav, they only look at Madhurya Bhav. Biggest proof is here. Nobody else except Vrajvasis can even think of doing it. They do it, it's a big task. They even can't think of doing it. If a person come who lifts this mountain who is in front of you, will you ever think, oh, let me go and have a stick from my ashram and hold this? You even can't think of doing it. You maybe Varsha, maybe, oh, Hanumanji came and going to make this build in another Brahmand and come in this Brahmand to have this mountain. Because in Prakat Leelas, it is happening in all the Brahmands. Lord Ram must be somewhere doing Leela now. In this Brahmand, he have done. But in some another Brahmand, he might be doing it now. In some Brahmand, Krishna is doing his Leela too. So it is happening. Not Vrindavan, but other, Dwarikadis. Now Nrsinghas must be coming to in Brahman maybe now. So that's why all the Leelas are present. They are not future. They are not past. They are happening. If not here, then somewhere else. The Jiva of that, they must be enjoying now. They must be somewhere. Hiranyakashipu is there. It is all happening at every time it is happening. Now it is even in another Brahman. So this is Vrajamud, that Krishna is holding and lifting Govardhan. Still Vrajavasi came with this thing and said, let me hold it. Don't worry. So 7 days, after 7 days, when the stop rain, Krishna put it on the same place. Beautiful Leelas happened. And then everybody again glorified Giriraj, glorified Sri Giridhari. Golwal asked, how you got this energy? Krishna said, energy? It's not my energy. Kachu makhan kyo bal bhadeo. Some energy, this makhan, we do so much effort and hard work for makhan. We just don't take liberty from our mothers. We go steal it. You got it nicely, so it's giving me strength. Kachu makhan ko bal bhadeo. Or kachu gopan kiyo sahai. All of you help me, having a stick holding it. You help me. Few strength butter have given me. Kachu makhan ko bal bhadeo, kachu gopan kiyo sahai. और श्री राधा जू की कृपा से मैंने गिरवर लियो उठाए. By the blessings of Sri Radha Rani, I lifted the Govardhan. When Krishna went to meet Chandravali, there are many marks of kumkum and sandal which stick on the feet of Sri Krishna.
Auf Krishnas Füßen
In the
sind
night, Krishna was hiding himself because he have done this and crossing Sri Giriraj. Then on the Shila of Giriraj, there was the mark of Chandra, those foot marks, which is revealing that they are from Chandravali, have come. Stick on those hills, on the stones. Krishna went then in the sunshine. He have seen it shining. Now what he should do? If it comes and if Radharani sees, he will be in a big trouble. What he should do? Then he did this Leela. Because for 7 days he told his Indra, hey rain. So that rain can clean the footmarks. And if the red sign of kumkum and sandal mix with water and falls down, then even Radharani can know, oh, why the water is red. That's why he appointed Agastya to drink. And nobody can go up on it. If you go up, then you can see. That's why he was lifting it. So nobody can go up, everybody can come under to it. And rain, so no chance of anybody going up. So he was cleaning and worshipping Govardhan. You are Haridas Varya. You saved me. Otherwise, if there would be the marks of Chandravali Bihar, I will be in the huge trouble. Oh, Radharani was going to throw Bahu. This is the fear Krishna always had. This fear of Bahu Naika Vallabha. That was the fear. That's how Geet Govind is starting. Nandani Gopi is saying, oh, Krishna is so scared. Oh, Priya, you hold his hand, take him from this beautiful road which is full of forest. He is so scared. Oh, what he is scared? The commentator is saying, Nanda Nidesh Tanayo Pratyadva Kunjat Drumam Radha Madhava Yor Jayanti Yamuna Kule Rahakkelaya. Geet Govind, the first verse. Commentator is saying, why Krishna, what fear Krishna has. Here Nandani Gopi is saying it is getting dark and Krishna gets so scared. Is Krishna scared with dark? No. Krishna enjoys, he is playing flute at night and Ras Leela. Why? He is scared of being Bahu Naika Vallabha. Nandani Gopi is saying indirectly, yesterday Priya you left early, all the Sakhis were there, so then he is so afraid that today this thing is revealed, that I am Bahu Naika Vallabha, Priya will leave me. So he is always afraid of this. So that's why he made this huge arrangement, lifting Govardhan, rain so that everything become clean. And if so much sandal fall here, and if you put water here, from there yellow water will fit. When the water will mix with sandal. Similarly, there are footmarks all around Govardhan. Then Govardhan is the best Haridas for Sri Krishna. Who Krishna reveals all many Leelas with Govardhan. So then he is hiding it. Oh, you don't say. And I don't believe you are the Das of Radharani also. Not even Haridas, you are Haradas also. He is Haridas Varyo. Gopi is saying he is Haridas Varyo. Knows everything where he is. So that's why he made an arrangement so things would be clean, nobody goes up, and yellow water and red water of the sandal and kumkum falls, then things will come. So Agastya made Agastya, and then Sudarshan is moving everywhere. Just like a brush, you know, it's cleaning everything. Oh, no, I'm serving our Lord. So nothing would reveal. And then this beautiful story gives a Madhuri effect and Nikunja Leela effect to it. They both are, one is obviously a Prakat, one is a Prakat. That is all happening together. All the Leelas having Prakat aspect and Aprakat aspect too. In Prakat aspect, we hear Ras Leela only in 5 chapters, but in Aprakat aspect, Ras Leela happens Brahmaratro Vicharyaiva. For the one night of Brahma, which is many thousand millions of years. So Prakat and Aprakat, so that's all happening. Sri Giriraj, bless all of us with this Prem Bhakti, with this, give us, can make somewhere on his, on his footsteps, somewhere close to him, a small stone in somewhere in the future. That's all you want to be. Brahma is asking for becoming a blade of grass. Indra is asking somewhere a stone, not at Giriraj, not qualified that much, close somewhere far away from Giriraj, so that one day when Krishna comes, can step on that stone also, and you can feel that prema, that rasa of Shri Krishna. May Giriraj bless all of us with this prema bhakti. That one thing we can ask him, prema of Shri Shri Radha Raman, Shri Shri Radha Krishna. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Gaura Radha Raman Lal ki Jai, Shri Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai, Gaur Dhannath ki Jai. मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। 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 गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी, 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 गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। बनवारी श्याम बनवारी, बनवारी श्याम बनवारी। मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी, गिरधारी 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 श्याम बनवारी। राधा रमण गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी। मेरो राधा रमण गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनधारी
देव रमण गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनधारी।
जय जय श्री राम।
श्री राधे
श्री राधे श्री राधे। निताई गौर हरि बोल।